What we're going to look at now is how to produce the finger joints for your product, for your lighting product. So if you look at this little picture here, this shows how we need to mark it out like this. So you should have your 4 bits of wood, 2 short bits that are about 100 millimeters long and 2 longer bits. As long as they're both the same size, that's fine. What you need to do is make sure you've sanded them, and you'll know when it's sanded properly because you'll be able to see the clear grain on the end of the wood like this. So if we measure the width of the wood, we can see it's approximately 45 millimeters wide, and we need to split it into 3. You can see there's the finger joint. So 1, 2, 3. So it's 45 millimeters wide, and the thickness, you can see there, is 15. So 45 divided by 15 is 3. So that means we can actually use the thickness of our wood to actually mark out the finger joints. And I'll show you on the short pieces first of all. So what we have to do is, this is the piece we're going to mark, this piece here. So we put that up, stand that upright like this. Make sure the table's nice and clear, and make sure your pencil is nice and sharp as well. So we place this piece of wood flat on the table against it. Use your middle finger and your thumb to clamp them together. And then with your pencil, you need to make sure you drag your pencil so it makes a line. Just drag it along like this. You can see it's made a line. Turn it round. This is quite tricky because it's quite wide. Get a friend to help if you want. There. And round like that. Now we can also split this up into 3 as well by simply placing the wood down like this. Again, dragging the pencil, place it on the end. Again, this is quite tricky to do. Make sure it's flat on the table. And then round like this. And then we turn it over and do this side. So again, dragging the pencil on the end. And then on this side here as well. And now what we need to do now, because we've done it all the way around, is mark on the wood that we're going to remove, which is the waste wood. And if we look over here, you can see on the short pieces, just do a diagonal line like this. And we'll know that when we're making the product, we know which bits of wood to remove and which bits are going to stay. So you can even do it on the top, if you want, like this. And you'll need to do this on both ends of both pieces of wood.